Yes, YouTube, welcome back to Nothing But Power, and today we've got another episode for the road to 350 brake in the Leon Fr. If you haven't saw already, we've already gone stage 1. Check back in the videos previously. This is episode 4 now, so if you haven't watched episode 1, 2 and 3, obviously go back and watch that, get up to date and come back to this video. So we've done the stage 1 remap, we've done a little bits and bobs to support the stage 1. Now my friend Alex is ready to go stage 2, so we're back here at Certified Remaps to get it done. So just to give you a quick update of what's happened since the last video, he has been basically getting the car ready for stage 2, which is what we're doing today. So since the last video, he has put on a full oversized ram air induction, he's put on the BKR7 spark plugs, and he's also changed the diverter valve, which is a common fault on these Leon FRs. If you are having any problems, make sure you get that done before you go bigger power. And it's had a fresh service as well. So yeah, we're now here at Certified Remaps. So today guys, we're going the full stage 2, that certified treatment based at Certified Remaps in Willenhall. We're going to be putting on a 3-inch decat downpipe, the S3 8P intercooler, and then obviously you're going to have it all mapped in by Certified Remaps. So stay tuned, it's going to get techie. Okay, so this is the old intercooler. So as you can see, it's a lot smaller, more plasticky as well. The quality is not as good. So the S3 intercooler is good for like 350 brake, about 330-ish. So more than enough for stage 2 on the FR. This is the original downpipe. Going to change it for the custom 3-inch. Okay, so this is the decat downpipe. So it's a 3-inch, obviously straight from the turbo all the way down, and this is the other piping as well. Just go straight through. Obviously this is necessary to go stage 2. Okay, so the intercooler's on. As you can see, it's an S3 8P intercooler, and now they're just about to put the downpipe on. They've just took the air filter off, I believe. So yeah, downpipe straight through, stage 2 map, and be good to go. As you can see, the stock downpipe has come off. That's the turbo right there. So it's come off there. As you can see, here it is. Okay, so this is the stock downpipe, and this is the new 3-inch straight through downpipe decat. So obviously this bit will be going into there, and then the piping will come all the way and connect back onto here. If you haven't saw the previous video, we had the back box deleted already. So yeah man, stage 2, here we come. Road to 350 brake. Yes guys, so the new downpipe decat is in, straight through. All there is the one resonator box here now. That's the only thing that's left, and I believe my friend wants to keep that on, otherwise it will be way too loud. But yeah, this is 3-inch stage 2 now. It just needs all mapping in. So the intercooler, the air intake kit, and yeah, the downpipe. So let's get it on the mapping side now. Okay, so just a quick update of where the Leon Fr is at now with the stage 2. We have put on the 3-inch decat downpipe all the way straight through. I think there was one resonator left on. It's had a back box delete. We've put the Ram air induction kit on, and we have also, guys, put on an S3 8P intercooler. So now it's time for the remap, and then we're gonna dyno it. We're putting pops and bangs on it as well, so it's gonna sound sick. So stay tuned, man. Yes, the map has been complete. We've put that stage 2 certified treatment on there with the pops and bangs. So now guys, it's time to see what the figures are saying. Right then, time for the numbers. So, just as a reminder, back right at the beginning when we first come here, when the car was stock and we put it on the dyno, it made 180 brake horsepower, I believe, around that figure. It was meant to be hitting 200 brake, so it was underperforming. We then put a stage 1 on it and we hit 230 brake horsepower. And now guys, I want you to do is just leave a comment below right this second, guess what you think it's hit now, stage 2. I'll just give you a couple seconds just to do that. Okay, so what did it make, stage 2? So basically guys, I'm gonna get it up on the screen now so you can see the dyno chart and the dyno graph. But we hit a 261 brake horsepower and 409 Newton meters of torque. So as you can see, it's a very, very nice gain. It's a very good progression from where it was at the beginning. We do believe if it was, you know, running on point from the start, it might even be at around 270, 280 now. But because it's been underperforming since the start, that's why the figures aren't as high as maybe some other stage 2 Leons out there. But for this car and the way it actually performs on the road, because the guys took it out for a little test drive from certified Remaps, and they're very happy with how it's performing, how it's driving, how it's putting the power down. So with all further ado, it's my time now just to see what it's making. I've been here all day. My friend who owns the car has left me with the car. I don't know why he's done that. But yeah, gonna go and drop it back to him now, stage 2, and see what he thinks. So stay tuned, I'll get some little clips on the way home. And yeah, let me just start it and see how it sounds. Okay, so just on an idle cold start, it don't sound too different. Let me give it some revs. Got some little burbles in there and little pops. Nice. So yeah guys, 3-inch downpipe all the way. S3 intercooler off the 8P and a stage 2 map. Oh, and also the Ram Air induction kit. So yeah, let's go, let's see what it's got. Already I must say the pedal feels more responsive. Obviously I drove it on the way here today, so I got to test it, so I'll be able to feel the difference. And just pulling off, it definitely feels more responsive. Okay then, that's what we're working with. That was just a little second gear mess with a paddle. Okay, so we're just getting onto a national speed limit dual carriageway. So we'll just see what it's doing at the minute. I'm in third at about 3,500 revs, foot down. Bit of torque steer. Woo! Yeah boy. Very, very, very nice. The way it delivers the boost. Yeah. They've done a very good job, man. Big up certified Remaps. The certified treatment. Ooh, the boost builds ridiculously. Yo, my friend is gonna absolutely love it. I can't wait to see his face. I bet he's screwing that I'll get the first drive of it. But it is what it is, man. Nothing but power exclusive. It sounds so nice with the Ram Air induction kit. You're getting that proper suction noise that you get from it. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some draggy times. We'll definitely get that in another video for you guys. Probably do some 0 to 60s and 100, 200, stuff like that. Guys, you know what I like about it as well? You can actually chill with it. Like now, you can't hear a thing at all unless you put your foot down. I'm at under 3,000 revs and it's chilling, quiet. Nice, nice. And then if you want to go Asbo, you just drop the box. You get me? Woo! Yeah, man. You see that? It sounds amazing. I love it. Sleeper, baby. Third gear from 40, foot down. The boost is on point all the way as well. Yo guys, it's just all smiles, man. You can tell I'm enjoying this. Coming from a diesel where you don't get no sound, no involvement, it's a smooth automatic in my Mercedes, to this raw 2-litre petrol turbo manual. You're getting all the sound, the sucking noises, the turbo noises. Yeah, man. Can't wait to get my little project car on the way. That's coming very soon. Looks like we're going to be catching a flight to Mexico tonight. My mate's definitely going to be enjoying this later. Third gear is unreal. Yo, I'm telling ya, it drives nice. I'm lost for words because I've saw this car from stock and I know the differences in all through the stages. Yeah, man. It's been done proper. Again, shout out certified Remaps. That certified treatment on the car, you get me? They've done a real good job, man. If you've got any VAG car, hit them up. They are VAG specialists, okay? Trust me. Custom tuning. They can do downpipes, they can do exhaust work, they can do anything you want. Anything you want. So, hit them up, man. Okay, so my good pal has come down to collect his car, the owner of the Seat Leon Fr that we are pushing to 350 brake.
Big 350.
The big 350 MBP style. But anyway, he's literally just jumped in the car. I've told him, don't rev it, don't do nothing, let me try and catch it on camera. So yeah, just jumped in, stage 2, pop some bangs, give it a little rev then, bro. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ha, ha.
Yeah.
Oi, loving it. That was the first little acceleration, first pull off in his new stage 2. What are you saying, bro?
Yeah, man.
Gassed.
I am already.
So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We are still on the road to 350 brake. We are at 260, so we've got a little bit to go, but we're definitely gonna get there. So stay tuned. Peace out from Nothing But Power.